Good afternoon, BHS. I'm Mrs. Hoyt, the Future Ready Coach here at BHS. I'm here to help you set goals for your future and attain them. I am so proud of the work that you've put in for the last 3 quarters, and now I'm ready for what's ahead. The work that you put into career cruising has made me very proud, but I know now that we are ready for a more informative, more in-depth experience, so we will no longer be using career cruising.
All right, I think I have your attention now. Starting next week, advisors will be requesting 9th through 11th grade students throughout the month for Pride sessions where we will introduce you to our new tool, Virtual Job Shadow. This interactive, web-based tool allows us to simply log in and start exploring thousands of careers. I've got big plans to help you explore your futures, but as always, I need you to take control of your journey. I truly believe you all are going to enjoy what we have ahead of us. Seniors, you aren't missing out on this fun either. Your advisor should have shared earlier this week how you can access Virtual Job Shadow, and let me know if you need help. Along with using Virtual Job Shadow, you can anticipate more fun throughout April, our Future Ready month. You'll hear from your teachers and other staff members about their journeys from high school to working at BHS. I encourage you to take what you hear to heart. We are sharing our experiences to help you plan for yours. You'll also get to share your plans later this month and tell us what's ahead on your journey of life, including what you want to be when you grow up. Have a great Future Ready Month, BHS, and remember, you can always come see me in Student Services to plan for your future.